Konnichiwa, minasan. Hello everybody, I'm Lucas and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about some pronouns, personal pronouns and countries in Japanese. So, do you already know how to say I, you, he, and she in Japanese? I, we say watashi, you, anata, he, kare, and she, we say kanojo. And now, what about the plural? Do you know? In this case, we just add the suffix tachi after the pronoun. You already know watashi means I. If I just add the suffix tachi after this pronoun, now you say watashi tachi. Watashi tachi means we. Same for anata. Anata plus tachi, anata tachi means you in plural. Kare, tachi means they for men. And kanojo, tachi means they for woman. So far so good, right? Now let's talk about the particle wa. So what are particles in Japanese? The particles have the function of connecting the words in a sentence. Explaining the particle wa now. The particle wa is the topic mark. Wa follows the topic the speaker wants to talk about. Therefore, wa is often called the topic marking particle. The topic is often the grammatical subject, but can be anything. Now, let's look at this example. Watashi wa America-jin desu. I am American. Watashi wa America-jin desu. Another example. Ano onna wa kirei desu. That woman is beautiful. Ano onna wa kirei desu. In these examples, the words before the particle wa are the topics of my sentences. In the first sentence, the topic is me, I, and in the second sentence, the topic is that woman. Now, do you know what this means at the end of Japanese sentences? To explain in a clear and brief way, the this at the end of Japanese sentences makes your sentences more polite. That is, it's showing respect. Now, let's talk about countries. I'm going to introduce now some countries. United States, we say America. Japan, Nihon. China, Chugoku. France, Furansu. Italy, Italia, Italia. And Brazil, Burazilu. If I just add the suffix jin after the country, I'm now referring to the person and not the country. Let's see some examples. Nihon means Japan. If I just add the suffix jin, now you say Nihonjin. Nihonjin means a Japanese person. Chugoku with the suffix jin. Chugokujin, Chinese, a Chinese person. Same for America. America-jin, American. Brazil, Burazilu. Burazilu-jin, Brazilian. And now, for example, do you know how to say I'm Brazilian? We say watashi wa Burazilu-jin desu. Watashi wa Burazilu-jin desu. Watashi wa with the particle wa is the topic. I'm talking about me. Watashi wa Burazilu-jin desu. In this case, I'm just saying that I'm Brazilian. Do you know how to say you are Chinese? We say anata wa Chugokujin desu. He is American. Kare wa America-jin desu. She is Italian. Kanojo wa Italia-jin desu. It's easy, right? And how do you ask a question in Japanese? You know, we just add ka at the end of sentences. For example, I want to know if you are Japanese. In this case, I can say, Anata wa Nihonjin desu ka? Anata wa Nihonjin desu ka? Are you Japanese? Is that simple? Is he Brazilian? Kare wa Burazilu-jin desu ka? Kare wa Burazilu-jin desu ka? Are you Chinese? Anata wa 中国人ですか？あなたは中国人ですか？ So, thank you so much for watching this video. このビデオ見てくれてありがとうございました。またね。